Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will basically convert the CSV file into Microsoft Excel file, which is XLS file, and in Node.js. And you can see that basically we have a input CSV file which I will convert to Excel file. You can see basically we have three columns: name, age, country, and then we have two records separated by comma. So that's why it is called as comma separated value file, which is called as CSV. And we will now be converting this file into Excel file. So I have written the script right here. I will show you step by step how I written this. So now if I execute the script right here, you will see on the left hand side a new file will be created. This file, you can see XLS file, Microsoft Excel file, it has been converted. If I open this file, you will simply see in Microsoft Excel all those records which were present inside the CSV file has been successfully converted. And you can see the name, age, country. These are the columns here, header rows, followed by the two records, Smith 25 India. You can see that. So we will now be writing this code step by step how I did this. We are simply using a package in Node.js to carry out this conversion process. So the package, if you want to search it on npm.js, just go to Node Package Manager website and just search for this package that I am writing right here. So you can pause the video and just write this. So this is developed by a developer, ATERNUS/CSV2 XLS. So it's a free library written. You will see it's a fairly new library. 1800 weekly downloads are there, and this is the actual command needed to install this. So I have already done that. So inside your simply npmi followed by the name of the library, simply install this library, and after that inside your package.json file this library will be listed. And now to start this application, we will basically first of all require the path library, which is a built-in library, and then we will actually require this package @ and from this library we have a simple method that we can extract convert CSV to XLS, and then we will need to provide the source file, which is input.csv, and then we will provide the output file, which we will say that result.xls. So here we are just providing the input file and the output file, and then we will simply call that function in the try catch block, so that if any sort of error takes place we can console log it. So here we just need to call this function, simply call this function which we have, convert CSV to XLS, and just provide the source and the destination, source and the output file, that's all. So here you do need to create a input CSV file. So this will be name, age, let's suppose. So we have these two columns out there, name, age. We have two records. So now if I run this Node.js script, node index.js, in the left hand side you will see that a result.xls file will be created. If I try to open this file, you will now basically see, guys. So the result has been successfully exported to Microsoft Excel file, XLS file. So in this way, guys, you can easily convert your CSV file into Microsoft Excel file in Node.js using this package. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.